to a new video on my channel. I'm super excited for this video. You probably know from the title, I ordered something new from Moncler and I'm super excited to unbox it with you because you guys seem to love Moncler just as much as I do. So I ordered something new from Louisa Via Roma. If you've watched my videos before, you definitely know that that is my favorite website to buy items from, just because once you buy something, every euro is a point. And you collect these points and you can turn them into vouchers to shop from. So you definitely save a bit of money while spending money, which is super lovely. By the way, this is not sponsored in any way. I simply just love Louisa Via Roma and this is my personal favorite shop. I wish it was sponsored though, but it definitely isn't. I ordered from them a beautiful Moncler jacket and I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. Let's open it. I'm super excited to see it. If you've watched my channel before, you do know I have quite the collection of Moncler pieces. And this was something that has been on my wish list for a long time now, but I never really pulled the trigger. It wasn't that important for me, but now I really wanted it. It's unlike anything I have. So in here is another box. That's also something I love. I love these black Louisa Via Roma boxes. I use them everywhere. They are so practical. Let me pull it out. It's super hard. I don't want my nails to get destroyed. I just did them the other day. They are red now. First time red this year. Always at this point of the year I'm getting red nails because it's kind of Christmassy. So now I have the box outside. Here you can see the beautiful black box, and in here is a beautiful new jacket. Let me grab this. That was loud. And here it is. It's this sporty looking jacket. It's kind of like a cardigan vest, it says on the website. And it has this hood. And oh my god, I love it. I was definitely not sure whether to get the black one with the shiny material or the matte, because in black it definitely comes in shiny as well as matte, and I'm so glad that I picked the shiny. I simply love this look. So here you can have a closer look. On the front it has the iconic Moncler nylon, and here it is fabric. And on the side, on the left side, it has a pocket with the Moncler logo. And even in the hood, it has the shiny material. And in the back, it's just simple plain. And I thought that this one would be great for autumn especially, and for going on a walk, but also just for like underneath. I think it's a really great casual piece. So I really wanted to get it in black because that way it will match most of my other Moncler pieces, but in general it will go really well with my wardrobe. Let's try it on though and see how this size is. I picked this one up in size extra small, and with these it's a clothing item actually, so it doesn't come like in size 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. It comes in other sizes. So here you can see it's size extra small, and I think it also says it on here. Yeah, here you can see. Does it focus? Yeah, here you can see size extra small, and this one is actually called Maglia Cardigan. So in case you are interested in it as well. And here you can see also the inside. It's it's also a bit lined here, so it definitely will keep me super warm. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I love it. I really, really love it. It's exactly how I wanted it to look. Such a great casual piece. Let me also zip it up. Got my hair stuck inside. So here you can see how it looks. I love it. It is such an amazing casual piece, and also just for going on a walk with like black pants and some sneakers, you're good to go. But also for the colder months, for underneath when you're wearing something casual, I think this is really, really such a great and versatile piece. I love that it has two zippers on each side as well. And the pockets are actually quite spacious, I have to say. I really like this. I will definitely just grab my scissor and put this off, because I will keep this for sure. I love it. Now it looks much better without the white bits hanging there. Such a cute piece. You can also have the zipper from underneath, which I never do. I don't know who does it like this, but Moncler pieces always have the option to do the zipper both ways. I never do it, however. But this, guys, I love it. I love the Moncler logo on this side. Look, such a cute jacket. I also think it looks really nice, just worn open. I can definitely see myself wearing this a ton, and I have to say I'm so happy that I chose the shiny fabric. If you're not into shiny, it does come in matte, and it also comes in a few other colors. I've seen white, I've seen navy, I've seen pink, and I definitely think there are a few different colors available as well. And this is definitely something Moncler does year after year. It's one of their iconic items that just are a staple. So I'm really happy to add this one to my collection. I do have a few Moncler pieces for spring, which I have never shared on my channel, but this one is definitely something that's unlike my spring pieces, which are mostly fully nylon. But this is just something that I really can wear in fall and winter, but even in spring when it's still a bit cold, I can definitely wear this as well. But for spring, I definitely think like the pink one would be a great option too. But for autumn, winter, black is just the way to go. It definitely goes with everything, and I simply adore this one. I also love that you have the hood option, so you can, if you want to, if you're going for a walk and it gets a bit windy, you can put the hood on. Looks super cute as well. So I'm super happy with this purchase. If you're interested in getting this one as well, I will definitely have a link for you down in the description box as well. Pricing wise, this is quite pricey. You can definitely get a jacket if you just put a few hundreds extra. This one currently retails for 670 euro, and in the US it's 1,100 US dollar. So definitely quite expensive, but it definitely is like a jacket. To me, it's not really like a cardigan because you can definitely wear it on its own, but you can also wear it just underneath something else. So I definitely think it's a great piece to invest in. I also just love the zippers. Let me show them to you up close again. I don't think I showed it to you because these are just so high quality. I just love the black zippers. And they also say Moncler on here. So definitely a really cool piece. I really like it, and I'm so happy that I finally have pulled the trigger. I don't even want to take it off. I want to keep it on. It's quite chilly today actually, and next week there will probably be snow here in Vienna, which is just crazy, but I definitely think I'm good to go. I have a new piece for autumn and winter, and I definitely think I will get a lot of wear out of it. If you have any more questions in case of sizing or anything, don't hesitate to comment down below. You guys know I'm always happy to help you no matter what. But yeah, I'm super happy. If you like Moncler and if you like this haul, it would mean so much to me if you would give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're into luxury as well, I would really appreciate your support by just hitting the red subscribe button down below for more videos on my channel. I really hope to see you soon in another video. Bye guys!